I'm taking over. So today we're gonna make a Virgin Mojito. Rico's coming over. He doesn't want to drink alcohol today, and everybody deserves a good mocktail. The classic mojito is something everybody loves. So obviously we're gonna make it a virgin one so everybody can enjoy it. Spanked mint here for you.
She always spanks me.
Kind of what I do.
We got some beautiful, beautiful lime flavors, beautiful mint flavors.
Ooh. I'm AJ, this is Absolut Drinks with AJ. Let's get into it. Well, what I love about the mojito is it has that fresh mint. You got the sourness from the lime juice. If you have a normal mojito, you got that sweetness from the rum. We're gonna use some simple syrup to get that sweetness. So it's the sweet, sour, the fresh mint, the sparkling water, just comes together as tropical, nice drink. So what you need to do it is a glass, a little muddler, used to smash up the mint. Gonna use a little bar spoon, jigger, some ice. We're gonna use crushed ice, simple syrup, lime juice, soda water, and some mint. We're gonna start with 45 mils of lime juice. Get it in there. Then I'm gonna pick around 6 leaves, give it a little dash just to get those oils beginning. And then we're gonna give it a gentle tap in there. And I usually start tapping in the lime juice just to really get all the flavors out of the mint leaves into the juice. We don't want to break up the mint leaves because then everybody's gonna have mint in their teeth when they drink it. So we want to keep it nice and whole, but just give them a little bash. Then we're gonna add some ice. To make crushed ice at home, you put it in a bag, you step on it until it's crushed, or use normal ice cubes. Let's continue. We're gonna add 30 milliliters of the simple syrup, and then we're gonna give it a nice little stir, just to really marry all the ingredients in here. There you go.
AJ, how do you know that you're done schmuddling?
Schmuddling.
It's a real word.
You know you're done schmuddling when the liquid has topped over the ice. Then you know it's time to add some more ice. On there. And then top it up with some soda water. And if your ice sinks, you can add a little bit just on top for the glory of it. And we're gonna go ahead and garnish it with some mint. So what you wanna do when you garnish it with the mint is just give the mint a little bash or a little spank. Now we have activated all the oils in the leaves. It starts smelling a lot of mint. When you drink it, you always put the straw next to the mint. If it smells mint, it's gonna taste like mint. And there you have it, a perfectly served Virgin Mojito. So Rico's gonna be here in 1 minute, so I need to make another one quickly before this one gets watered out and before Rico gets here. Get in here. Lime juice, mint, some crushed ice, simple syrup. We're out of ice, guys. Rico, can you get some ice? I don't know, but I cleaned after you.
I heard you needed some ice. Oof. Be careful, your palms are sweaty.
My hands are heavy. Spanked mint here for you.
She always spanks me.
That's kind of what I do. Well, we got the Virgin Mojito here.
Perfect, because I'm not in the mood for any alcohol today. We got some beautiful, beautiful lime flavors, beautiful mint flavors.
Ooh. Is it approved?
It's approved.
It's approved.
It's approved. I usually do cubed ice because, you know, I'm that like cocktail geek. And the original mojito is actually served short and on cubed ice. But crushed ice, very, very good addition. I was about to say I have everything at home already. I can do this any day of the week.
Yeah, Monday, Tuesday.
Every day. You cannot drink every day. I like that.
Mocktails.
Right?
So today we made the Virgin Mojito. Really easy steps. You can make this at home. You can add berries, add purees, and I want to see what you create at home.
If they create something at home, how are we gonna know?
I want you to hashtag Absolut Drinks, and you might get featured on
absolutdrinks.com. And what else are they gotta do?
You're gonna hit the subscribe.
And don't forget to hit that like button too.
If you like us.
Me. If you like me.
I don't like you.
It's my show.
I'm taking over.
Good.
Gracias. It's a crowd pleaser.